Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto City once again. So we are here with another analysis of the Bitcoin, and we will show you what we have said in the past and what happened into the market after that. And once again, everyone now everyone knows and everyone can see that these moves, you cannot trust on anything. That's why even if the you have got the strongest possible signal or whatever thing indication, always use your invalidation points. So as we have told you that this is within a range, another consolidation range is being found, and if the candle closes above this, we will have a good opportunity to further go up. But if it doesn't, and if it goes and bleeds before below to this breakdowns, then definitely we are going to this, sorry, to this level, and then to this range, which is now actually happening. And this is what we have updated you in our previous videos. So whatever you were thinking, whatever the analysis was, always have your invalidation in place. We have seen this multiple time in the history, and they try to dodge you, and when they are successful, they definitely take out your wallets. And for that reason, we only go for spot trading. We don't go for future and leverage. We don't want our wallets to be washed away, okay? So that's not the real trading in our according to our understanding. You should have money in your pocket, in your account, so you can take benefit of that. Now I'll show you one thing. Just look at this fear and greed index. It was at just look at the figures in the last month. So when everyone is greedy, then you should become fearful, okay? And when there is extreme fear in the market, when many people has lost their their hard-earned money or whatever, many people has lost, and now there's only blood in the market, then you see this figure. So extreme fear is in the market. These things give you, when other are in extreme fear or in fear, that should give you a good chance or a signal that something good is coming, and definitely you can take benefit of that. All right, we'll move back to the analysis. So here we are. And what happened, this is not just a single event scenario. Macroeconomic conditions, and definitely security breaches happen in the Bybit and in Ethereum. Billions of dollars have been washed away, and this could be, there are multiple things that happen, and regulatory uncertainties. Many things are happening in the world, and that is contributing to this. And ETF people, they have sold their balances as well. So many things are happening in the world. Let's jump onto this. And what I'm trying to make a point here: don't be fearful. Just have a solid system in place and use that for your trading. And with that proper clear clarity in your mind, you will definitely make money. From if you just look at this one, just look at this scenario continuously dissolving, 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 and yeah, that's right. Now it is where it is right now. It's really, really important zone for us. Just look at this. I'll squeeze it for you. Just look at this. This is really happening, and this is really important to hold. Otherwise, and just look at this one. Very important demand zone as well, and important zone as a support as well, on which whole of this structure is building on. If this holds, then definitely we have a good chance of reversal from here, and we can go to the places from here. But as I have told you in the start, no one knows anything, all right? Even I don't know, no one knows. So there is a chance that it could actually break from here, and there is a big CME gap we have here at this place, and it could actually go here as well. And one more thing I would like to show you guys. So if we go to monthly, just look at this structure, this one big candle. Just look at this, and so 50% of this FVG is also lying just above this green zone mentioned. So this is important to have it. This is important to be there. It could play actually as a good role or a support for us. So we'll just go back to our main page. So guys, yeah, this video has been become long, but definitely we have important thing happen, so we needs to be shared. So just be with your strategy, be with your plan, and keep looking at things. And now I think we will get a chance to make money. Okay, we'll definitely get a chance to make money, and very soon, very soon it will happen. And even from here, either from here or somewhere in between, we will definitely get a chance to make money again, and in the arts as well. All right, we'll conclude this video here, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time.